How to fix setup passcode to log this chat on WhatsApp problem. So if you want to fix setup password to log this chat on WhatsApp problem, then first open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open up your WhatsApp, now you just need to simply go with the account in which you would like to set a passcode. So for example, I'll be choosing an account. Once you tap on the account or once you tap on the chat, you just need to simply go with the profile option, which is on the upper side. Once you tap on profile, scroll down and here you will have chat lock option, right? So turn on the chat lock and then tap on continue and enter your fingerprint or your password and the chat has been locked. In this way, you'll be able to set the passcode. But if you're not being able to set the passcode or the chat lock on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first open up your settings and make sure that you have a passcode or lock on your device. Because if you don't have that on your device itself first, then you won't be able to set the lock chat on your WhatsApp. So go with the security option under your settings and then go with the screen lock, and under screen lock you need to enter your PIN or the pattern or something like that. You need to simply set a password. Once you set your password, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you might need to update your WhatsApp. So you need to open up your Play Store, and once you open up your Play Store, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, now if you have any updates here under the WhatsApp, you need to go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. You will have that option. So that's how you can fix your problem on setup passcode to log this chat WhatsApp problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.